Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this as I promised. Okay, how to make this flower that you can put. I did put it on my bikini top. Okay, and yeah, and you can put this into a bikini bottom as well. Okay, or anywhere you want. Okay, so even if you can put it into your granny squares. Okay, so with this one I will be using one color, okay, just for the tutorial purposes, but you can make it you can use two colors or different color. Okay, with mine is I will be using this multicolor. Okay, so hopefully I can get the color. Okay, so to start with, okay, this is a cotton yarn. Okay, four ply, and I will be using a 2.5 millimeter hook, okay, and a cotton yarn. Okay, to start with, okay, we're going to do a slip knot. Okay, and then insert our hook. Okay, and we're going to chain. Okay, so 4 chain. Okay, and then we are going to insert our hook into the first chain, and we are going to do a single crochet and a slip stitch, sorry. Okay, so from here, okay, you can see that middle part there. Okay, so if it is like too small, you can add. Okay, and then from here we are going to insert into that middle part. Okay, and we are going to do a single crochet. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then we are going to then slip stitch into the first, okay, first chain, first single crochet, slip stitch. Okay, then after that we are going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we are going to add 3. Okay, then we are going to make a double crochet, okay, into the 4th chain that we blocked off. Okay, so double crochet, and then double crochet into the next, and double crochet to the next. Okay, we're going back down and double crochet into the next. Okay, so after that, okay, we are going to slip stitch into the next chain. Okay, so slip stitch. So okay, so we just created 1 petal in there. Okay, from here we are going to continue that. Okay, so we are going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then block that off, and then add 3 more and go back. okay, and do a double crochet into the 4th chain, okay, into the next double crochet, and to the next double crochet, and to the next, okay. And after we get here, okay, we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch, okay, slip stitch. Okay, so chain 4, okay, 1 2 3 4, block that off, 1 2 3, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and double crochet. Okay, so then slip stitch into the next chain, okay. So we just created 3 petals, okay, so you can, now we have 3 petals in there, okay, so you're just going to continue that, okay. So we will be doing the same thing. So with our double crochets, we do have 5, okay, 1 2 3 4, okay. So we have chain 4, and then we added chain 3, so that will be our first double crochet. Our chain 3 will be the first double crochet, and then we had 4 more, so we have 5 double crochet in our petals, okay. So you can add that like bigger if you want bigger, okay. So 4, lock that off, 3, okay, and then double crochet. Okay, sorry guys if I'm too fast, especially for the beginners. Please leave a comment if you're a beginners here, and I will try to make a video, okay, for beginners, okay. But this is really simple, okay, and I'm pretty sure you can follow, okay. So 1 2 3, okay, then double crochet, okay. And thank you very much guys for watching this video, and if you like, if you like this video, please leave a like button, or please press the like button or thumbs up, okay. Slip stitch, okay. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, okay. 1 2 3, and don't forget to click that notification bell. I will appreciate your comment, okay, on how to improve, okay, my tutorial, especially if you like my project and stuff. I am happy to help you guys with your project, okay. So we are going back, and we have 1 left, okay. So 1 2 3, and then yeah, all you have to do is just like keep watching it, okay. And if you have any questions, let me know, and I will be very happy to help you guys with your project. And okay, so last one with this flower is really simple, and you just have to make sure you're doing all your project. When you do your project, you have just to make sure that okay, you counted all the stitches and stuff. Okay, so what's going on there? Okay, so let's just fix this one up. Okay, so okay, and then I'll slip stitch there, and then slip stitch. Okay, that's better. Okay, so as you can see, okay, we have like different color there, but I was hoping I can get this, but it didn't work out. But still, okay, that is how you make this. If you want this separate, okay, or different color, okay, you just have to chain 4 and then slip stitch and then single crochet, okay, and then after you finish your single crochet, you have to change color for the petals, okay, so like what I did here. Okay, so you have to do this first and then change color for your petals and then do your petals. Okay, you can make this smaller or you can make this bigger. Okay, so with this one is because I just want to put this on top of the bikini. Okay, bikini bottom and stuff. Okay, so you can do like that in the middle there. Okay, you can do like that in the middle, or you can put it in the side, or you can put it on the top. Okay, that is so cute. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and as well as click the notification bell so you will get notified. And until the next video, thank you very much guys, and have a great day. Bye.